Hello, 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 hello. This is the city out the window. And then there's me, but I can't bring me up on the computer. Well, why don't I just do it through the city while I tell you that I'm going to give you a means of walking. And it's very simple. I'm older. I'm 83 years old, so I need protection when I walk. And the best protection that I know is going to be this little ditty that I sing to you. I will sing it to you. It's called Gently Moving Forward, and you can do this anytime, inside, outside, upside, downside, whatever. Gently moving forward, gently moving forward, gently moving forward, gently moving forward. You see, just a little bit of a cappella, and then you can just say the words to yourself or whatever. All it is when you feel in the pit of your stomach or below, when you have a visceral feeling, you focus on it, tighten those muscles a little bit, and then you talk to your heart, and you say, I want to move forward gently and safely. And then you go gently moving forward as I have sung it. Or as you sing it, you make up your own tunes. This is a DIY spirituality, a video. It's the third one in a row.